Hi, everybody, and welcome to today's section of today's cryptocurrency analysis. And today we would be looking at one of our favorite coins in the cryptocurrency market, which is QNT Quant, right? We've been expecting this move. We talked about it yesterday. It's in our yesterday's videos. If you want to catch up with it, the links are in the description. You can go through the channel, right? So check it out. Check the channels, right? Uh, Please don't forget as to encourage the channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, right, and share the video with your friends. And without any wastage of time, let us move to the charts, right? And from yesterday, we've been looking at that we're coming or we're hitting the EMA ribbons, as like you can see, right? We had this resistance point that we had, right? Several resistance points, and we're saying probably we should come down probably to the 157 region, and we should expect a push upwards. All right, we're beginning to see that push in the price of quant. As we can see, we had a huge push in the price. If we look at how many percent, we had a huge 8% in the price. So we had quant had a pump this evening, right? And we're expecting that, right? Because if we look at our money flow, we looked at that it was having this bullish divergence, right? That we said our stock our story not stochastic, our firefly indicator was telling us probably we should come down a little bit before pushing upwards, right? And we could see everything happen exactly as predicted, right? Everything happening as we were saying. As you can see, the push probably like an 8% push in the price, right? And we were seeing yesterday that we should expect a bounce at very key periods as we had a buy signal on our indicator, on our money flow indicator. Same thing with our firefly oscillator indicator, right? We're flashing huge buy signals, and though yes, we're seeing the price moving down, but we're seeing that we're having a huge buy signal, right, on the indicators, and so we're expecting a push, and we have seen the bounce. We have seen the bounce, and the bounce we have seen is about an 8% bounce. So, what should we expect next for QNT, right? For what we can see, probably there is no resistance. So, we could see QNT go to even about the 500 to $600 mark, right? Probably we should see QNT do something this, something like this, and something like this, right? And so we should see QNT have probably something like this, have something like that. And so probably we could see QNT at the $500 mark in the coming few days. As you can see, we've been seeing QNT is very bullish. It's very bullish. We're expecting this correction, and we came over to the 200 level. We had the correction. Now we are bouncing. Expect some huge changes in the price, and probably we should see all-time highs soonest, right? And let's check the other charts to just see. And this another chart that really shows us what the price of QNT is gonna do in the coming few days. And we said that every single time for QNT we came to this MA, to this moving average, we bounced, right? And so we said we're expecting a bounce, and as you can see, we are already bouncing, right? If we go down to a few of our indicators, we could see that we said we're expecting our stochastic was oversold, right? And we're having probably like a bullish divergence. We're having a bullish divergence on the MACD and on the stochastic, like that. This is very bullish, and so we should see probably a push up anytime soon, and we're already seeing that push up at the making of the video, if we go down to the 12 hours, everything moving according to plan. As you can see, the stochastic has been quite low, right? As you can see, huge bullish divergence both on the MACD and on the RSI, both on the 12 hours time frame, right? So as you can see, everything going according to plan. We've been expecting this bounce, we are seeing the bounce, and now we should see quant at higher prices. Probably we should see quant at the $450 mark to the $500 mark within a few days, and then we will cool off, right, before we go down probably to even the $1,000 mark, right? So everything looks bullish, but on the short time frames, but on the longer time frames, as you can see, looks very bullish. We had a very large candle, right? So everything looks bullish on the chart. So probably we should be expecting a push upwards even to the 270, probably around the 270 275 region, have a little pullback, and then we move up, right? So don't be left behind. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please support me. Please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, right? It's your boy. See you here. So please make sure you share the video with your friends so that your friends can benefit. This is the best time to get and accumulate more quants for the upcoming run. And so we're expecting a huge run for the quiet price of quant, and probably we should see quant around the $500 mark in so a few weeks to come. So if you like the channel, please make sure you click the like, click the subscribe button. Thank you and have a great day.